In today's video, we're exploring 3 of the best pill reminder apps for Android. If you or someone you know is managing medications and needs a little help staying on track, these apps are here to make your life easier. Let's jump in and see what each one can do for you. MediList Pill Reminder. MediList Pill Reminder is a user-friendly app designed to help individuals keep track of their medication schedules. The app allows users to create a personalized medication list by entering details such as medication names, dosages, and schedules. MediList sends timely reminders when it's time to take medications, ensuring that users never miss a dose. In addition to reminders, the app features a simple interface for recording when medications are taken and allows for easy tracking over time. MediList is ideal for those managing multiple medications and looking for a straightforward solution to stay on top of their health. AllMinder Alarm and Pill Reminder. AllMinder Alarm and Pill Reminder is a versatile app that combines medication management with alarm functionality. Users can set specific times for taking medications and customize alarms for each medication to ensure timely reminders. The app allows users to create categories for different medications, making it easy to manage complex regimens. AllMinder also includes options for tracking medication doses and provides a history log for users to review their adherence over time. With its robust alarm system and user-friendly design, AllMinder is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable pill reminder tool. Medication Reminder Pill Tracker. Medication Reminder Pill Tracker is an effective app that helps users manage their medications with ease. The app allows users to input detailed medication schedules, including dosages, frequency, and specific instructions. It sends push notifications and reminders to alert users when it's time to take their medications. The app also features a tracking system to monitor adherence, helping users see their progress over time. Additional functionalities include the ability to track refills and manage multiple users, making it a great choice for families or caregivers overseeing medication for others. With its comprehensive features and intuitive design, this app ensures a hassle-free medication management experience. Thanks for watching our video on the best pill reminder apps for Android. We hope these tools help you or your loved ones stay organized and never miss a dose again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical content. See you next time.